Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace clock spring on 4Runner. Before you remove anything, remove both battery terminal and wait for 15 minutes. And then in the steering left side and right side there is a small covers. Remove the both covers and you will see both sides there is a screws 6-point T30. You can use it and remove both of them. 6-point T30 socket with long extension you can use to remove both screws. And they remove the other side ball as well. And then pop up the airbag like this. Remove these locks by screwdriver or big stick, then take out and remove the airbag first. Remove the clock spring connection here, two connection, one is this one and one is here. And now remove the bolt, this bolt, and under the steering the clock spring inside there. So remove the bolt. Use the 19 socket and use a gun to remove the bolt. It goes out. Now remove the steering. They use a special tool to pull the steering. It's not going to come out. You have to pull the steering out by a special tool. Adjust the puller and a turn from here, right turn. So it's going to open. See, now it's open. Steering is open now. Take it out the steering slowly like this. Steering is out now. I show you, this is the clock spring. Two bolts for the cover. Remove the cover and the connection on the side of it. There's a two connection on the side. And then one more connection there. There's a 3 connection with the clock spring inside. It is out now. Overall inside there is a 3 connection. Take it out however you can out, just take it out because this is old. So when you put in the new one, make sure while putting in, don't turn the clock spring. The clock spring is in now. Make sure put in and later after you have to remove this lock. This is the lock. Don't remove this lock before you put in the clock spring. So when you open this one, remove this one, then put everything back. That's everything for now. The clock spring is in and steering is in. Now I'm gonna put the steering ball and put everything back.